When you create a graphic design, think about the story that you're telling. Also, think about how you will use line, color, texture, space, and shape to tell that story. In this flyer, customers are invited to learn tactical defense moves in this Dad and Me children's program on a Saturday at the Ocean Park Library. When you look at the photograph, think about what it is saying to you, how does it appeal to you, and what the story is. How does the artist bring you into the composition? You can see that there is a line, an implied line that starts on the left-hand side and carries through. It touches the hand of the uh, photograph of the boy in the left-hand side and goes all the way around. It creates a nice, a rounded curving line. Line also creates a sense of placement. We're extended outside of the composition because of the placement of the figure. There's also a freedom of boundaries. There, we don't feel closed in. This looks like a fun day on the beach where the composition is open. There's various openings in the composition that give a freedom and a sense of play to the overall composition. Color draws us into the composition. You can see the warm colors, the red and the violet and the yellow of the boy's shirt, of his sweatshirt, and that draws you in. You have neutrals surrounding that and creating the structure, but the colors bring you in and make you your eye come forward. There are patterns in the pant leg of the little boy, and also there is texture in the sand. If you look at the texture of the sand, that gives an interest, and it anchors the figure also. And think about your font also. How does your font bring people into the event? How does it make them want to attend? Can they read it clear? Can they read the instructions? Where do they meet? Give them a point of action, something to do, and make it clear.